Fly the red flag. Understanding a classic English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, fly the red flag. This is a fascinating idiom that can really add some color to your English conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to fly the red flag in different contexts. The phrase, fly the red flag, is an idiom in English that is used to indicate a warning or signal a danger. Historically, a red flag was a symbol of danger or a sign to stop. In modern usage, when someone says they're flying the red flag, it means they are giving a warning about a potential problem or issue. It's like saying, watch out, there might be some trouble ahead. To better understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. In a workplace, when I saw the financial reports, I had to fly the red flag to the management about our decreasing profits. 2. In personal relationships, he's always late and never apologizes. It really flies the red flag about his attitude towards our relationship. 3. In public situations, the city flew the red flag about the severe weather conditions, advising everyone to stay indoors. There are several idioms with similar meanings. For example, raising a red flag, often used interchangeably with flying the red flag. Sound the alarm, to alert others about a problem or danger. Wave the white flag. This is slightly different as it means to surrender or give up, but it's another color-related idiom. Incorporating fly the red flag into your conversations can be easy. Use it when you want to warn someone or draw attention to a potential problem. For instance, I don't want to fly the red flag, but I think we should double-check these figures before submitting the report. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, fly the red flag. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll feel more confident using this idiom in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your next English conversation. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.